So we are now resuming the assembly of this engine. So we are now installing this timing chain. I think this is a timing marker. So I will install this front side. And the repaired timing trigger, crank trigger. Spacer. Spacer again. Bigger one. So this tool should front this side. Bearing. You need to clear this counterweight of the crankshaft. There. This is the chain for the oil pump. This is smaller compared to the timing chain. This is the clutch basket. This is the reason why you need to clear off the counterweight of the crankshaft, because you cannot insert this clutch basket because this gear will hit the counterweight. There. So before installing this oil pump, you should retract the guide, the dowel, backwards for easier install. Make sure that the chain is inside the groove. Make sure that the chain is in the proper position of the gear that is fixed in the clutch basket. There. To insert the oil pump. So installing the oil pump, this is the reason why you should retract the dowel pins of the oil pump for an easier install. Now it's in its proper position. You can push the pins, the guide. There. This pipe. This is the number 28 bolt of the crankcase. It's also the bolt for the oil pump. So to tighten the oil pump, install new O-rings for the oil pressure regulator. There. You will also see here that this U-pipe is harder to push into its soles. There. So next is this strainer, oil pump strainer. We try to clean the strainer even if there are lots of bearing failure fragments. The best procedure is to replace this with a new one, because even after cleaning this, you can see the filter screen on these areas of this oil strainer assembly. You can only see on this part of the strainer. So we can't be sure if this part of the stainer has no more fragments or dirt. Arrow is towards the front of the engine. There. Here's the oil pan.